Spleen Channel. It is located on the dorsal aspect of the big toe at the junction of lines drawn along the medial border of the nail and the base of the nail, approximately 0.1 sun from the corner of the nail. Spleen 3. Spleen 3 is a shoe stream, yuan source and earth point of the spleen channel. It is located on the medial side of the foot in the depression proximal and inferior to the head of the first metatarsal bone. In the depression located by sliding the finger proximally over the side of the ball of the foot. Spleen 4. Spleen 4 is a luo-connecting point of the spleen channel and a confluent point of the penetrating vessel. It is located on the medial side of the foot in the depression distal and inferior to the base of the first metatarsal bone. First locate spleen 3, then slide the finger proximally along the shaft of the first metatarsal bone until it reaches the depression at the base of the bone, approximately 1 sun. Spleen 6. Spleen 6 is the meeting point of the spleen, liver and kidney channels. It is located on the medial side of the lower leg, 3 sun superior to the prominence of the medial malleolus, in a depression close to the medial crest of the tibia. This point is most readily located 1 handbreadth superior to the prominence of the medial malleolus. Spleen 9. Spleen 9 is a Hsi and water point of the spleen channel. It is located on the medial side of the lower leg in a depression in the angle formed by the medial condyle of the tibia and the posterior border of the tibia. Run the finger in the groove posterior to the medial border of the tibia until it falls into the depression below the tibial condyle. This point lies at the same level as gallbladder 34. Spleen 10. Spleen 10 is located 2 sun proximal to the superior border of the patella, in the tender depression on the bulge of the vastus medialis muscle, directly above spleen 9. Place the heel of your right palm on the inferior border of the patient's left patella, or your left palm on his right patella, with the fingers and thumbs fully extended and the thumb at 45 degrees to the index finger. This point is found beneath the tip of the thumb, directly above spleen 9. Spleen 15. Spleen 15 is the meeting point of the spleen channel with the yin linking vessel. It is located on the abdomen in the depression at the lateral border of the rectus abdominis muscle level with the umbilicus. This point is normally defined as 4 sun lateral to the midline, and on the abdomen the 4 sun line is located at the lateral border of the rectus abdominis muscle. Spleen 21. Spleen 21 is the great luo-connecting point of the spleen. It is located on the mid-axillary line in the 7th intercostal space. Some sources locate this point in the 6th intercostal space. The intercostal spaces are most reliably counted downwards from the 2nd intercostal space, which lies immediately below the sternal angle. In males, the nipple almost invariably lies in the fourth intercostal space. The mid-axillary line is drawn vertically down from the apex of the axilla.